5, 6, 7, 8. Tá errado. 5, 6, 7, 8. Vamos, gente.
Vai, mãe, com fé. Vai se falando entre vocês, vai.
Continua, não para.
Cuidado com o cadastro.
Cinco, 6, 7, 8. Cinco, 6, 7, 8. Concentra, vamos lá. Vamos, com vontade, Ana. Errado.
To left, just kick off your shoes and enjoy yourself. The recipe for rap is to flip the script, and we the Jurassic time and we about to rip. So ladies and gentlemen, from the music that sings far-fetched, extreme, from the brothers we bring a whole brand new thing. We're in the house. Yo, the original rhyme with no hospital, the mic, I spit on the mic. Believer goes believe in the hype. I'm reading this life, whatever you believe in this life, I'm reading it right. Whatever catch you in your life, it's like, could it be hot or could it be cold or could it control? I'm living it cook.
Faz espaço, muda de passo aí.
Exclusively, and you agree I'm much better than I used to be. Because J5 MC, we here to rock. Rhymes like boss can never be stopped. You heard the four of us, even though it's six, guaranteed to succeed while we're bringing you this. I kill J5 with the best again. Sounds such a MC in the place to be. Come on, say ho if you know that my flow get you out on the floor and make you sweat for sure.